guys, it's Kylie with OkieGirlBling'n'Things.com, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show you how to make a slip knot. So to start a crochet piece, you're going to have to know how to make a slip knot so you can start and put on your hook and make chains, and we'll just jump right into it. So I've just got my yarn here at the tail, and I'm going to take it. I'm going to wrap it twice around my fingers. So the tail is wrapped twice. You grab the back one, pull over the front, grab the back one, pull it over the front, and then grab the back one and pull. And then you can just put your hook there and tighten it up like that. And I will do that again so y'all can see. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tail, wrap it around your fingers twice, take the back, pull to the front, take the back, pull to the front, and then grab the back one and just pull. Then you can pull it down, insert your hook, pull it, and then you can begin to chain, and that is how you make a slip knot. If you need to know how to chain and make different stitches, I will link a video down below for the next part in my beginner series, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.